Good morning! Kami pupunta ng USCIS para sa replacement of green card ng bata. So kung meron kayong anak or dependents na magta-turn 14, they have this rule na as soon as they turn 14, within 30 days, you have to apply for replacement of their green card. Kasi they have to renew their biometrics, picture, and all. So, create an account sa USCIS, create their own email, tapos apply lang for replacement. Walang bayad. And that's it. I-schedule nila kayo, sila mag-schedule ng biometrics at hindi ka pwedeng kayo ang masunod ng schedule. So you really have to make yourself available dun sa appointment na yun. So ngayon, magda-drive-thru lang kami ng McDo kasi wala kaming breakfast.
Mas 19 degrees para sa labas. Ang ganda na.
Maaraw pero malamig.
Ano?
Yeah.
How are we doing?
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
You guys have extra stuff?
Oh yeah, we did.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys have a great
You too.
Martia. So, maaga kaming nakarating. 11:24. 12 noon yung appointment namin. And 15 minutes lang yung 15 minutes early lang yung allowed na makapasok ka. So, medyo mag-aantay muna kami sa parking bago kami pumasok. Tapos na kami guys. Napakabilis lang. Sobrang mga 5 minutes. Alam nyo, mas mababait pa yung mga tao dito kaysa sa atin. Yung nung kami noon sa Pilipinas, nung nag-interview and all, mas masusungit pa yung mga tao. Yung intimidating ba dati. Pero dito, sobrang ang babait ng tao dito. So ayun, tapos na. Ano lang, parang yung sa background check, fingerprint, picture, tapos na. 5 minutes lang. Halos wala pa nga kaming 5 minutes ata. 3 minutes lang siguro. See you guys, yun lang. Bye-bye!